Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Juan Minoprio, and this is my piece called The Son of Darkness. It's a short film, and I hope you enjoy it.
Shortcuts.
Short
Film.
Hey, come on. Let's go. We're gonna be late again. Second time this week. Second time. 3 times and you're done. You're dead meat. You hungry?
Nah.
Where are your sisters? They ready? Are they downstairs?
Okay.
Why don't you stop using my makeup? That doesn't mean it's not yours.
Let's go. Hurry up. We're waiting for you. Come on, Tony. We're gonna be late because of you.
For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
He did the mash,
he did the monster
the
mash.
monster mash.
It was a graveyard
He
smash.
did the mash,
It caught on in a
he
flash.
did the mash.
He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast, the ghouls all came from their humble.
You take a shower. Leave me alone. This is me time, alright? Alright, go.
Okay, I'm gonna need the bedroom to practice sitting in peace, please.
Well, I need time for a nap, so how's that gonna work?
You can take a nap in my room if you want to.
See, this is a sibling that actually cares about his sister. Thank you, Tony.
Let me get the switch first.
Alright, I'm gonna practice real quick.
Come on, Emma. That doesn't work on me. Only on Tony. Like, why do you do that?